Let's make a no eggs puto cheese. This puto cheese need 5 ingredients only. First, grease puto molder with oil or butter. In a bowl, combine all-purpose flour, white sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk together. Add fresh milk or coconut milk and combine. This is my 4th puto recipe on this page, but this is the first one with no eggs. Basically my favorite puto recipe. When everything is well incorporated, pour into puto molds. Top with cheese slices and place in the steamer when the water is already boiling. Steam for 20 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy!